From a distance, it looks like Earth, a beautiful blue world floating peacefully in the darkness of space. But this planet hides a terrifying secret. If you get too close, you could die within seconds. This is HD 189733b, one of the most dangerous planets ever discovered. Located about 64 light-years away from Earth, this massive gas giant is larger than Jupiter and far more hostile than anything we have ever experienced. When scientists first observed this planet, they were amazed by its deep blue color. At first glance, it looked like a giant ocean world, perhaps even similar to Earth. But appearances can be deceiving. There are no oceans on HD 189733b. There is no life. There are no peaceful blue waters. The color comes from its violent atmosphere filled with particles and toxic gases. What makes this world truly terrifying is its weather. The winds on HD 189733b can reach speeds of more than 5,400 miles per hour. These winds are several times faster than the speed of sound. Imagine the most powerful hurricane ever recorded on Earth, then multiply its force many times over. On this planet, such storms never stop, but the nightmare does not end there. On Earth, rain is made of water. On HD 189733b, it rains glass. Scientists believe that the atmosphere contains silicate particles, the same materials used to make glass. Because of the planet's extreme temperatures, these particles form molten droplets and sharp crystals. Then the incredible winds blast them sideways across the atmosphere. Instead of falling gently from the sky, the glass travels horizontally at tremendous speeds, turning the entire atmosphere into a deadly storm of razor-sharp fragments. As terrifying as that sounds, the temperatures are even worse. The temperature on HD 189733b can exceed 1,000 degrees Celsius. That is hot enough to melt many metals and destroy almost anything that enters the atmosphere. There is no solid ground to stand on, no oceans to explore, no place to land, only layers of superheated gases swirling endlessly around the planet. Now imagine trying to visit this world. As your spacecraft enters the atmosphere, it would immediately face unimaginable pressure and violent winds. The structure would begin to fail. The extreme heat would damage critical systems. Within moments, the ship would be torn apart by forces far beyond anything engineered on Earth. Survival would be impossible. So why do scientists study such a terrifying place? Because planets like HD 189733b help us understand how alien worlds work. By studying extreme environments, researchers learn more about planetary formation, atmospheric chemistry, weather systems, and the incredible diversity of planets that exist throughout the universe. Every new discovery reminds us that our solar system is only a tiny part of a much larger cosmic story. Beyond our neighborhood are worlds with conditions so strange and extreme that they challenge everything we think we know about planets. And perhaps the most surprising fact is this: HD 189733b may not even be the most dangerous planet in the universe. There are worlds with oceans of lava, planets where iron falls from the sky like rain, and mysterious planets so extreme that scientists are still trying to understand them. The universe is far more violent, mysterious, and fascinating than we can imagine. Every time we point our telescopes toward the stars, we uncover new wonders and new nightmares hidden in the darkness. And somewhere out there, beyond the reach of our current technology, even stranger worlds are waiting to be discovered.